Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram swipe reply message not showing. So let's jump right in. If you do not see the messenger icon at the top right corner of the Instagram app, it indicates that the swipe reply feature for Instagram messages may not be available to you. First, the ability to Instagram swipes was made available in the messenger app. So the first thing you need to do is connect your Facebook account to your Instagram account. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Next, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, and from the options displayed, select Settings. Then, tap on Account Center. At this point, you will encounter two options, Add Facebook Account and Add Instagram Account. Choose Add Facebook Account. The account that is currently signed into your Facebook will be displayed by default. In my case, since I have already linked my Facebook account to my Instagram, it should already be visible. Once you have completed the previous steps, the next thing you need to do is close your Instagram app completely. Make sure to fully exit the app, and afterward, open the Instagram again from scratch. After reopening the Instagram app, you will notice the presence of the messenger icon, and from there, you can proceed to open your messages. Once inside the messaging interface, you will now have the access to swipe reply option, allowing you to use it for your conversations. If linking your Facebook account doesn't resolve the issue, another is to clear the Instagram cache. Open your phone setting and look for and select Apps and Notification. Locate and choose Instagram from the list of apps on your device. Within the Instagram settings, you will find the options for storage. And then make sure to clear the cache. After clearing the cache, proceed to completely close the Instagram app and reopen it again. This will allow the app to refresh and potentially resolve any issues you were facing. And the final solution is to update your Instagram app. If you're using an older version, as it may be causing the feature to not work properly, to do this, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and update it. And update if an update is available. And after updating, open the app, and you will now see the messenger icon, allowing you to use the swipe reply feature. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment in the comment section down below.